Become a better trader. Read these tips. There are many ways to make money by investing, and one of the best ways anyone can make money is through the stock market. If you think you have what it takes to become successful in the stock market, but need a little help, then you're in the right place. This video can help you understand key concepts about the stock market and how to become successful on the subject. Do not have unrealistic expectations about your investments. Every professional investor will tell you that success almost never happens overnight, and when it does, there are some very high risks involved. Try to spread out your investments. You shouldn't put your eggs all in one basket. Failing to diversify means that the few investments you do participate in must perform well, or your stay in the market will be short-lived and costly. Base your portfolio on a steady foundation of strong, solid stocks when investing for the long term. Active trading can prove profitable in the short term, but it requires a great deal of time and dedication. If you cannot pay constant attention to the market, purchase reputable, consistent stocks and hold on to them. Understanding the stock market isn't something anyone can do in a single day. It takes time and lots of effort to start to learn how the market works. Make sure that you are dedicating enough time each day to expand your knowledge so that you can become better prepared to make sound investing decisions. With all of the information that you just learned, you might feel a little overwhelmed, but that's okay. If you think that you need to re-watch this video to understand some of the key concepts that were presented, then make sure you do so. Your goal is to learn all that you can about the stock market, so that you can become as successful as you possibly can. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.